你好, welcome to Dr. Zizi's Chinese classroom. Today we are going to learn numbers in Chinese. Please listen carefully. Numbers in Chinese play more roles in the conversation and in daily life than numbers in Western languages. I mean, for example, the names of months, they use numbers in Chinese, and the days in a week, we use numbers. And in Chinese language, we have countless expressions, phrases, and idioms that have numbers in them, just several hundreds of them. Okay, you will see what I mean. So first of all, let's look at the numbers in Chinese. So the numeric numbers, like in Chinese, we call it 阿拉伯数字, which means Arabic numbers are played up there. And so the corresponding Chinese characters are placed right underneath. So this is yi in Chinese, and 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七, 八, 九, 十. Let's do it one more time. 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七, 八, 九, 十. Once you can count from 1 to 10, and then by putting 10 right here, and by putting 1 next to it, it will make her 11. Literally, it means 10 plus 1, or 10 add 1. So that's 11. And the reading is very simple. You just read like a 10 and a 一, like what you read from 1 to 10. Likewise, 12 means 12, because you have 10 right here, 10, and you have 2 next to it, so it's 12. What if you swap 12? You do it this way, and then 2 means 2, and 10 means 10. Definitely, 210 does not have the plural form s, but the 2 tens. 210 means 20. All right. And if it reaches 21, you say 210 and 1. So that's 21. 21. And then you have 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. That's 3 and 10, 30. And you count up to 99. 9 means 9, 10 means 10 means 10, so 90 means 90. And then you add another number, that's 9, so it's 99, 99. Is that easy? All right, so these are the numbers. And then after learning these numbers from 1 to 10, you learn another Chinese character, 月, which means the moon. And also in ancient times, the Chinese people use the moon to determine the month. And therefore, the moon and the months are using exactly the same word, same character. So 月 means both the moon and the months. So now we take it as month. And all you need to do is to give names of a Chinese month, as you can see already. All you need to do is to put the number before the word 月, months. So 一月 means 1 month or first month. 二月 means the second month. And hereby 3月, third month. 4月 fourth month, and 5月 that's the fifth month, which is May in English, and the sixth month 6月 and 7月 8月 9月 10月 11月 12月 Okay, so you can see by yourself that in less than 10 minutes, you have learned how to count from 1 to 10 and possibly from 1 to 99. And then after learning the word moon or month, year, you know how to say 12 months in Chinese language. All right. And if you still think you can have the capacity of learning more in this short video, then you learn another word, 星期, which means a week. The two characters mean two things. 星 means a star, and 期 means periodicals, like circles. So periodicals of stars or planets, and therefore they're a week. Actually, you have the sun, the moon, and the 5 planets. Altogether, you make 7 days in a week. And unlike you make the names of months by putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in front of the word moon or month, in making the weekdays, you put the numbers after the word 星期. And therefore, this is pronounced 星期. So first day of the week in China is Monday, not starting from Sunday. Okay, so 星期一, that's Monday, and 星期二, that's Tuesday, 星期三, Wednesday, 星期四, that's Thursday, 星期五, Friday, and 星期六, that's Saturday. However, we do not say the 7th day of the week, 星期七. No, we do not say it that way. Instead, we have a different word for it, 日 or 天. Actually, in Chinese language, 日 and 天 means the same thing. The sun or the day, because the daytime is determined or, based on the sun. Okay, and 天 also means the day. So you have 2 names. One is 星期日, and the nickname is 星期天. Chinese people use them interchangeably, like 100% interchangeable in daily conversation. However, 星期日 is formal, while 星期天 is informal way of saying it. Okay. I hope that this helps you learn not only the numbers, but the 12 months and the 7 days in a week. Now, would you like to read after me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And 11, 12, 20, 21, 99. Okay, this word, 月 1月 2月 3月 4月 5月 6月 7月 8月 9月 10月 11月 12月 Okay, these are the 12 months. And as the weekdays, this word first, 星期 星期 Okay, 星期一 星期二，星期三，excuse me， 星期四，星期五，星期六 ，and the last day in the week is Sunday. Okay， 星期日 or 星期天。All right, thank you very much, and see you next time.